Okay, so we will start by crochet this corner of this straight side over here. I already finished one side. At the first corner, chain 1, and I'm gonna insert to this corner of the white color, single crochet 1, and then we will start joining to this square. Just by usual, take out your hook, insert to the opposite stitch, then go back to the new square, just by usual like we did. And this is the last corner of the yellow square. I will join these two, and remember we have a half of the corner we make at first. Now you just need to slip stitch that corner. Yeah, and then we're gonna also join these two sides together, and also this side until we meet this corner. This will be where we fold in half for the heel. Then we're gonna crochet straight here, at the same time join to this side and this side. Okay, so I finished until this point. So we're gonna crochet this part, at the same time fold and then connect to this and connect to this side, and we finish at this point. Okay, so I finished joining this part. I stop here. Now we only left with this part and also the top of the opening over here. So we will join our yarn in this corner, and then we're gonna crochet straight at the same time. We will just join with this side and also this side. Okay, I'm gonna just insert my hook to this point. Then tighten up. Yeah, I'm gonna just single crochet 1 and connect to the opposite one and two all the way to up. So when you reach this corner, and after joining your last stitch in the pink color corner to this space over here, you're gonna be you should do like another slip stitch to this side. So because in this corner you're actually joining 3 or 4 different squares together, so to have another slip stitch to enhance the tighten, and then you just continue to make 1 single crochet over here and to join with the opposite single crochet and do all the stitch until the first one. And when you reach this the last stitch over here, just make a single crochet all the way, and then we finish.